Hey everybody, how's it going? Bringing you another review video today. A little bit different type of product than I usually cover, but it's still electronics, so here we go. So I ordered this AVATTO Smart Thermostat with heat pump support. Here's the box right here. So this product has a lot of awesome features, and I'm going to show you in a second what it looks like installed and go over some of the installation process as well. So just some features. It does have Alexa and Google Assist capabilities if you want to, if you have an Alexa, Amazon item or a Google Talk, you can basically set up your air conditioning unit to follow commands that you say through the unit. So it's pretty cool. We have Alexa set up in my house because we use Amazon, but it doesn't have to be that. It can be Google or whatever you'd like. So it has 5 actual modes of use. So you have emergency heat, regular cool. It has an auto mode and then an off mode. So it's fairly simple. It's not super complex, but it does have some pretty cool features that I would say set it apart from a regular thermostat. So firstly, it comes in with just a beautiful finish. So the back plate goes on, and then you put the product over the top. It's very shiny. It looks really nice and high tech, and it definitely was an upgrade from the ancient thermostat that I was rocking in my house. And I'll show you a picture of that in a second. But yeah, good product overall. Works good, looks good. It has changeable lights, so you can see, you know, you got greens and reds and blues and stuff like that. So that's really cool. So it's definitely easy to install. It has 10 terminals, basically plug and play. So you can open up your old thermostat unit, and I'll run through a little bit of this process in the following video and pictures. But turn off your power. You put the wires in exactly how they're in your old thermostat. You put them the same way in this one. Simple and easy. You pop it together and it just works. There's also an application that goes along with it that allows you to change the temperature up and down. You can turn it off or on. You can schedule it. It's got that capability as well. So lots of cool things. Pretty basic app function, but that's all you really need if you want to turn on the AC while you're away from home or something like that. So that's pretty cool.